How to create a dual-axis radar chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to dual-axis radar chart. Search for dual-axis radar chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Dual-axis radar chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Dual-axis radar chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a dual-axis radar chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need two columns of numerical data to create a dual-axis radar chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: dual-axis radar chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. In this video, first we will create a dual-axis radar chart with two numerical data columns. Later, we will add one categorical data column. Search for dual-axis radar chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select metric orders. Select metric market share. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with two numerical data columns. Now, we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select Dimension Product. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with one categorical and two numerical data columns. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart type. Click on the Chart Type section. You can change the chart type to radar, spider, or polar. Click on the Apply All button. The chart type has been changed to spider. Click on the Chart Settings button to reset the chart type. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the curve point. Click on the Curve Point section. Change the curve point radius. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the X-axis Properties pen to edit the properties. You can change the Label and Font Style section properties. Apply the same process to the Y-axis. Click on the Y-axis Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to append % as a postfix to the numbers. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the color of the other box. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.